Murder conviction overturned, and it's in large part because of the work by a KU law student and Shawnee native. New at 10, 41 Action News reporter Shannon Halligan explains how the student helped right a wrong.
Abby West spent more than 100 hours in and out of the library here at KU School of Law, and because of that work, she helped do something that's rarely ever done.
Questions over a murder conviction, and the Project for Innocence helped take on the case. David Owen called himself an advocate for the homeless, often trying to convince them to reunite with their families. On July 2, 2006, his body was found near the Kansas River in Topeka. 4 homeless people were charged in the crime, including Kimberly Sharp, who was convicted of murder and sentenced to life, until that conviction was overturned last week.
But it was a long, hard-fought battle. Those cases are not won very often. They are rarely granted, as a matter of fact.
Gene Phillips directs Project for Innocence at KU, a group that helps defend people who may have been wrongly convicted. Because of the project's work, a federal appeals court threw out Sharp's conviction. The judge said detectives falsely led Sharp to believe she would not go to jail if she cooperated with the investigation. The case's lead researcher was Blue Valley North grad and then KU law student Abby West.
To be able to help someone out like this, I think it's really unique experience that, not a lot of people get to have during their time in law school.
It was an accomplishment, but also an important learning experience.
I suppose we try to achieve justice on a broader scale, right? That we train people to do it correctly, because the system works when it's done correctly.
Sharp isn't out of prison. The Shawnee County DA and Kansas Attorney General's office will have to decide whether or not to retry her. In Lawrence, Shannon Halligan, 41 Action News.